welcome back to the Max Kitchen. Today we are making we're making noodles. As you can tell by my hydraulic press for noodles, known as a pasta machine, we're gonna be making noodles. So, very easy recipe. What you will need is 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, and a 1/4 cup of water. But today we are doubling our recipe, so just be smart and just divide it by half. So, first step, let's crack some eggs. Oh, one-handed shot. Get ready for this one. Come on. Oh no, oh. Well, the membrane's still intact, so, for now, let's just do that. And, for now, I guess, just do your ears. This is going nowhere. Oh. Yeah, nice. Okay, well, cracking this egg could seriously not have gotten any worse. Eggshells in the pot, and the yolk completely went wrong. So, I guess we could use something to sift it out. Let's just get a spoon. I'm gonna take the shells out and then crack the rest of the eggs off camera. Now that we have all of our eggs cracked in here, we're going to mix it up. I was about to say, with these eggs and all this stuff, this isn't pancakes gone horribly wrong. So, let's mix all the eggs until we get this nice paste. Now, they may or may not be eggshells in there, but depending on how good you are at cracking and depending if you're one-handed for cracking or not, then your results may vary. No? Yeah. I'm gonna get 4 cups of flour. This would originally be 2. But we're doubling the recipe. So, 3, and a bit of a 4. Now, remember, there was eggs in this. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, now we can take our measuring cup out, put it in the sink for now, close this puppy up, and get him the hell out of here. Because just awful amount of space this thing takes up. Okay, now that we have a lot more space to make our noodles, we can get this and we can fill it up. Just close it like so. Maybe you want to mix it a bit more before you put that in. As you can see, I don't think we can mix it anymore. That's when we add our water to add a nice splash of life into it again. But not for long because it's stiffed up again. Now here is where we might have a bit of a problem. So I'm gonna set up this camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I have made it good. So, for now, what we want to do? Oh no, it's already sticking. The second I touch it, it starts to stick. So I guess we could take it out and knead it. Just like that. Let the rest in a bit. But for now, we just want to mix in all this flour. Okay. Somewhat are getting a lot of it mixed in. I mean, considering what we had at the beginning, it has gotten a lot smaller. Just like that. Want to knead it in. Okay, so now what we do is we get our lovely pasta maker. That's really close. Maybe we could. Perfect. Now, you seeing this? You seeing this? No, it's not acceptable. We're gonna cut this up. We got a knife. And this is actually kind of strange because on a cooking show, I'm pretty sure this is the first time I've used a knife. So kids, close your eyes for this part. I mean, oh, the humanity. Okay, now we have 2 halves. So adjust your thickness scale to about this being the first thickness scale, and now it's a cranking. It's not going in. It's going in. What is that coming out the bottom? What is that? Just wanna. Guess I'll use this as a support. Goodness. But what is this? We got some pasta. Just maybe to make it go in easier. Flatten it. Then pull it up. Oh, it's like a magic show. So I feel like I'm gonna show you the first half that I'm gonna do, and then in my own time I'll do the second half for later, I guess. Because I don't think you want to see me just crank this for that one, so let's get it over with for now. Come on, in. Whoa. And there we go. And, oh, that is still quite sticky. Here, I got some flour. Well, now what you would do is you would do something like this. Just cut it. And for this, that went pretty bad. I want to cut that. Cut that. So now we have about 4 pieces. Let's do this one. And then we're going to change the thinness to thinner. Then we'll crank it again. Now this one, we want a bunch of flour here. So let's just, as you can see, right there. Wait a minute. What is this? Oh, wow. Look at that. Mush. This is noodles. Believe it or not, this is supposed to be noodles. For now, I don't believe it, so I'm just gonna put that in again. Try that once more. No, it's just not. Maybe if you pulled it apart, it would be. Yeah, that's not. So let's try the bigger one. Let's see how well this works. Oh, my hat. Oh. This is a joke. That's just jokes. This is April Fool's Day. This can't be. It just can't be. It just can't be. This can't be. It just can't be. It just can't be. It just can't. Yes. You see, this is a noodle. Okay, so I think I figured out what I had to do. this by one. Yeah, and we have the clamp. So just crank it. That. So now we have flattened dough. So suppose it still doesn't dough. The front still wants to be done. I don't know why. Then for now, I'm just gonna get this cottage. Just like that. Crank it, and how is that lifting up? Okay. My idea is crank it like that. Now we have a brick of noodle. So you put this in the water. Now shake it up and break it apart. And it seems to be working. So I just let that soak for a bit, and I guess if it works, then yeah. Okay, so we're heating up some water at high to cook our noodles in. Let's get a hot. Ooh. As you can see over here, past the pile of debris, we have our doused noodles. As you can see, feel kind of like brain. And they're really stringy and weak, so they're easily pull apartable, I guess. So yeah, if your noodles do that, I guess just put them in some water and then just stir them around every minute or so. And come on. Oh, what's the hold up? Come on, get in. It's gonna splash, isn't it? Ow! Ow, 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 yeah, that did splash, Ow, 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 ow. Okay, so it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, I'd say. And, I mean, depends on how you do it, but, like, there's still a lot of clumps in there. And it does also look like it's cooking in male bodily fluid. See how they taste. I'm gonna get all the cheese, the meat, sauce, and the noodle on there. Oh, that's a hefty bite. Better than I expected.